Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your old stories from your Telegram profile. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Telegram stories are a fresh, privacy-first take on a popular format filled with creative media options, allowing anyone to share moments from their life with custom lists of user, see detailed stats, and unlock powerful tools. When you create story on your Telegram, your old story will be stored on your profile. So anyone who visit your profile on Telegram, they can see your old story or archive story. So how if you want to hide it, it's so simple. So first you can just open your Telegram. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on my profile. As you can see in here, here's your post, your old stories. You can just choose on the story that you want to hide, like this one for example. Now tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. You can see there is an option, remove from profile. You can just tap on that. So it will be removed from your profile. So no one can see your old stories and it will be appear on your archive post. Only you can see archive stories unless you choose to post them to your profile. If you want to post it again to your profile, you can just post to profile so it will appear on your post on your profile. So simple, right? So that is how to hide your old stories from your Telegram profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.